What's up, guys? It's Percy. It happened. My boy Spencer and I finally did it.
We got an apartment.
Don't really have any furniture yet, except this table. But once we do, we'll throw a lit housewarming party. Oh, dude, look, we got a viewer.
Oh, hey, what's up, viewer? Guess what? We're in my bedroom. Check it out, ladies. I kind of own this room.
Technically, the landlord owns it. This is my room. I got the smaller one because Spencer's a dick.
At least I have one.
And this is our bathroom where we will shower.
And bang chicks. This is the living room where we're gonna spend many glorious hours playing video games, getting baked.
Bang chicks. And this is our kitchen where we will feast.
And bang. Yeah, this place is pretty great. It's super close to campus.
Yeah, demons.
And tryouts are soon, so hopefully we get on the team, and once the semester starts, we'll officially be demons.
Go demons! Yeah, and once we're on the team, we'll go through rush week and hopefully get a bid to join a frat.
So expect the party invite soon, because I think we have pretty much everything covered.
Bro, we need a microwave.
Oh, we don't have a microwave?
Yeah, man, I want a freaking Hot Pocket.
Okay, well anyway, we'll keep y'all posted on when the party will be.
Dude, give me my phone back.
Alright, well, catch you later, dude.
Bro, where is this place?
It should be right up here in the corner.
This is taking forever, man.
Dude, this microwave is just $4. Okay, it's the cheapest find, like, ever.
It probably doesn't even work. I mean, who would sell a microwave for that cheap?
Yeah, maybe they're just trying to get rid of it. Okay. Map says we're here.
Go on, give the door a knock.
I don't want to go in there. Maybe they can just bring it out to us.
Don't be a pussy, man. Can't you just text them?
Dude, I already tried that. I just got an error message. I don't think they know how to text.
Just knock on the door then. You knock on the door. I don't wanna.
Yeah, well, now he's being a pussy.
No, it's not that. I don't knock, okay? I'm not a knocker. I'm a doorbell guy, and I don't see a doorbell though.
What are you
Because knocking
talking
gives me
about?
anxiety. When I was 9, I went to my Auntie Chrissy's house. She opened the door right in my face.
there was a
I
doorbell
fell
there.
down. My hand went in some
So, I
dog
think
shit,
you're just
and then my nose
pussy
started
as me,
bleeding.
so don't
Okay.
think you're so-
Is it?
It's the. We're here for the microwave.
Ah, yes, the microwave. Come inside. You're letting the bugs inside my house. Okay, come inside, please.
No thanks. We're good out here.
So be it. Oh, here it is. That of which you seek.
Well, here's $4.
Oh, there's something you must know about this precious device.
Does the popcorn button not work or something? Because I rely pretty heavily on that.
Really? I mean, I always thought it always overcooks the popcorn, so it's not really my
Well,
thing.
I mean, I kind of like my popcorn just a little more.
Those that enter through its door shall scorch in its sweltering splendor. What comes out hath roasted long. Be careful not to use it wrong.
Yeah, it's a microwave. Kind of does that.
So just to be clear, the whole popcorn button situation?
Yes. The damn button works.
Okay. Well,
All right, thanks, lady.
yeah, bye.
Bruh, that chick was weird as fuck.
Dude, I think you would have banged her.
Nah, I wouldn't. Come on.
Yeah, dude. Weird as fuck is your type.
Don't kink shame me, bro.
Look, I'm not kink shaming. I'm just saying you would have banged her.
Yeah, whatever.
Remember Brenda? She was weird as fuck.
Hey, Brenda was hot, though.
Fuck. Shit. Spencer, get the fuck in here!
What is it, Percy?
Dude, the fucking microwave's on fire!
What the hell is that?
I don't fucking know, man. A fire portal or something?
Did you microwave tinfoil again? Like, dude, you can't do
No,
that.
I just tried to cook a Hot Pocket, and then it set the microwave on fire.
What happened to the Hot Pocket?
It, like, disappeared. 2 times.
What flavor was it?
Sriracha steak.
No. Dude, this can't be happening. I love that flavor, man. What?
Bro.
We have to buy
hey,
more.
bro.
Yeah.
What do we do?
If this is a microwave and it's this intense, imagine if we had a macrowave. A macrowave?
I can't believe we bought this thing for only $4.
Dude, this is worth at least $6.
Maybe even 8.
What's up, you tiny ass little boys?
What the fuck?
I'm the fucking GOAT, bro. Who the fuck are y'all?
Dude, are you seeing this?
Dude, I think that's our mascot.
Your mascot's a bitch. I'm a fucking demon, bro. I'm like a king from where I come from.
What'd you put in that, dude?
It has begun. I have released you, Alpha Demon, from your fraternity of eternity. And at last, you have joined me on the earth.
Hell yeah.
I am your savior, a humble witch who has found a way to bring the demons from the underworld to earth. You are the first, but there are more we must bring. More human hosts that must be obtained.
But you got any douchebags for me to pledge, though? Cause I can't just be here walking around with my boys looking all swole and whatnot for no good reason.
I have. I provide you these mortals to use as vessels for your underlings.
Ha 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 ha! Ha ha ha! I fucking hate Sriracha steak!
It's only $4?
Chaw.
What's the catch?
Yeah, is there something wrong with it? Does the popcorn button not work or something?
I love popcorn.
Oh, no, come on, don't say that. No, it's
definitely
amazing.
works.
We're
This is a
taking
great
great care of
product.
it. It's
This
like,
thing is
totally
top
new
of the line.
condition.
Yeah, I don't think we're interested.
Yeah, we're just gonna go. What's wrong with their eyes?
No, wait, hold on.
Here's the thing, it's a hot box.
Wow, she totally went there, dude. We didn't even smoke that much. Like, are my eyes red or?
No, dude, your eyes look fine.
Thank you, man. So you said that we would get chicks by now. What's the deal?
I didn't expect you demons to be this incompetent.
Damn, witch. You know, you didn't have to be so salty. We'll get the next ones.
That's 12 different buyers you two have failed to sell it to.
Hey, we got this. 13th time's the charm.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Because we're demons.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go demons! Go demons!
Go demons! Go demons!
Go demons! Go demons! Go demons! Go demons! Go demons! Go demons! Go demons! Go demons!
Go demons!